Meet Manuela. Manuela is a 21 years old student studying psychology in Bogota, Colombia. She comes from a middle class family and lives a simple student life. But on top of her living expenses, she also has to pay for a university loan. So she works 20 hours a week as a waitress. But each month, she's barely able to pay her bills and ends up saving too little money. She wants her money to grow because her dream is to study a master's degree in Europe. Manuela doesn't know anything about banks, investing, or finance. She searches on Google, but there are too many options, and some of them even look sketchy. She's really nervous about risking her hard-earned savings on something she doesn't understand. She feels overwhelmed, gives up, and goes back to living on a month-to-month, thinking she'll never have enough money for her dream. But one day, her friend in the university shows her UBANKU. We are UBANKU. We are a youth-focused neobank enabling students in Latin America to access an ecosystem of financial services, starting with a simple way to save and invest their savings. Let me show you how it works. Manuela downloads UBANKU. She creates her account and types in her current financial dream, studying in Europe. Also, when she wants to achieve her dream. Just like that, she's ready to start her financial journey. In her app, she can see different possibilities that are connected to her dream. She can start saving money by the smart consumption of her daily needs. We connect hot brands, university brands, getting up to 15% cashback for each transaction. If she wants to reach her dream faster, Manuela can invest her cashback between three simple to understand options with different levels of risk. If it is not enough, she can invest additional money, even with a recurrent monthly payment. Can you imagine? Now Manuela is part in the investment world with just $3 a month. When Manuela reached the amount of money of her dream, the full experience could become free if she buys the associated product with us, just like airplane tickets. If she needs her money back, she can take out whenever she wants, even the invested amount. In that case, we will charge a 2% commission fee, and she can receive in cash, digital wallets, or bank accounts. And we have more revenue streams, which are 70% financial intermediary fee for the management of investments and a 7% commission fee for the marketplace. All this creates a circular economy for the young. This is a big opportunity for us because in Spanish-speaking countries in Latin America, you can find 102 million people young between 18 to 24 years old that are starting their first economical crisis. They need to grow their money with their capacities and their own rules, representing a growing economy of $52 billion. And like Manuela, there are 11 million university students in Colombia, Mexico, Chile, and Peru that we already have previous experience. This represents an economy of $360 million in spending per year. For us, this is huge because the goal of a bank is a lifetime value of 20 years, but traditional institutions have a lot of disconnected products that are hard to grasp for the young. The solution are specialized neobanks like Sophie, but they have challenges in scaling in emerging markets that are not easy to solve, and traditional savings and credit products are not an option to start with. UBANKU is building a bank designed to scale in emerging markets. In the back, we legally connect an ecosystem of regulated allies. We tokenize their products so we can tailor-make the experience, reducing friction for the young. With the data, we are creating an alternative and simpler KYC based on university institutions, so we can offer them the right products for today's reality. To accomplish this, we have an amazing team with more than 20 people of all ages and experiences. I'm Franco, co-founder and COO. I'm a serial entrepreneur with a master's degree in finance. I built the first dark kitchens with Rappi, the Colombian unicorn, scaling it to 7 locations, reaching 10,000 monthly orders and averaging 18 minutes in delivery time. I sold the business for a 3x return before the pandemic. I also ran a marketing agency, reaching 9 million visualizations and reaching 14 countries in 9 months. This project is led by Andy. He used to have a marketing agency that connected young people with NGOs, government, universities, and companies, mobilizing more than 6,000 volunteers. He helped Rappi Bank to deploy more than 30,000 debit cards in 2 months, and he's also an XY Combinator founder. And Diego, we brought him last year. He used to be the former partner Deloitte for Spanish-speaking Latam and the former CEO of Everest, a digital consulting company, having 4 years of 800% growth of annual EBITDA and 1.2 million people financially included. We have amazing advisors with deep experience in business and our continent. We're going to launch our app on March 20. But just in our pilot phase, we had amazing results that show us a clear path to a sustainable business. And we learned how to reduce risk and how to use the crisis as part of our products. And this is sexy because no matter the business, in all the countries, we have a CAC of only 30 cents of a dollar. This is 100 times lower than traditional banks. And it's really friendly because it's powered by users.